Dr. Sella here, and on midline triple option, the place at ABAC oftentimes can have what's called a 3-2 exchange. Number one is the first defender from a 2 technique out. Number 2 is the defender next to him, and then if you have a guy behind him, that's number 3. So if number 2 goes out and 3 goes in, well, they exchanged. So the ABAC's blocking whoever shows in the C gap. So he'll take 3 flat steps, 45 degrees, and get his left knee through the crotch of whoever shows in the C gap. Left knee in the crotch, left hand to the stomach, 4-inch northbound steps, and you go from there. Now, keep in mind why you're running midline triple. You're running it because this guy's taking the dive and that guy's taking the quarterback. That's why you're running it. You're running it because he's taking the dive, he's taking the quarterback. It is so important when you call plays, you know what the defense did the play before. Because that tells you and gives you the best indication of where you go from there. Because if you run stuff to run stuff, you're not going to get the reactions you're desiring. You want to run mid-triple, he's on the dive, he's on the quarterback. So you get the ball pitched. If you can't get the ball pitched, there is no triple option. It took me 4 decades for that to get beat into my head. Thank you, Air Force. So, mid-triple versus 3-2 exchange, that's how you would handle it. So this is a worst case scenario of, okay, now he's going to come out and likely if he does that, he's taking the pitch. So that's of which you have to be aware. So there you go. Coaches, you want to win more games in 2023? Pick up the phone and give me a call. My number's on the thumbnail of this video, so is my website. The Triple Option Football Academy, you can learn how to run Air Force's offense in a day. You can learn how to run it in a day. Because the 3-step clinic is going to show you how. It's going to be supplemented with lots of other stuff like 100 hours of drill video, 50 plus hours of past installations. You can watch that later. I do a webinar with you and your staff. I'm on call 24 hours a day. There's scripts there ready to go. So within 10 days, you'll be at 90% of your potential. All done by science based on Josh Kaufman's 20-hour success story of how you can get to 90% of your potential. It doesn't take 10,000. 10,000 hours gets you to 100%, but 20 hours will get you to 90%. I'll show you how. You'll learn this in a day. Then you'll take 10 days with your players. You'll be at 90% of your potential, and you'll be running this like an A student. And I mean that, but you got to become a client today. See you in the next video. Talk soon.